One thing to understand if you created your fiverr.com account. So in this video I will talk about something which I made a mistake in fiverr.com. So I created my fiverr.com, and in that time if you see I was not having the client from last 6 months to 1 year, right? So what is the one mistake which I did, which I don't want you guys to make, right? So many people create their fiverr.com by just thinking that once I create my fiverr.com account I will be able to sell my services, I will be able to sell my graphic designing, digital marketing, copywriting services, right? But that is not the case, because when you create your account in fiverr.com, in that time you think that I will sell my services, but the more time you put in fiverr.com, you need to learn how to market yourself in the fiverr.com, right? So let's take an example. When you have your website, right, so you buy domain name, you buy hosting there, right? You go to the hosting.com, you buy domain name, you buy the space in the website, right? Because you have to save a lot of data over there, right? So you buy storage also, domain name, and so many things you should do. And then that is not the end of your website. What to do then? You try to market yourself, you try to make people on your website, right? So you start your YouTube channel, talk to the people, please visit to my site, and then the more traffic you have, the more money you will make, right? In traditional business, when you have the website, right, it's a short way to achieve success in any business, right? But fiverr.com, what we do in the fiverr.com, what is the mistake which we do in fiverr.com? We just create our account and we just think that Fiverr will send the client to us and we will earn the money from the fiverr.com. So that is the biggest mistake. Whenever you are in fiverr.com, it's just a website. You need to create the traffic so that people can come to your website and they can buy the product and services from you, right? So that is the thing which you need to understand when you create your fiverr.com. It's like a website only, right? Just because when you have a website, you want more and more people to visit your on your website. So the fiverr.com is also like that. If people are visiting to your profile, and if they want you to talk to you, and if they are buying the things from you, then only you can able to sell your product and services in fiverr.com. Otherwise, not, right? Because you need traffic to sell your product and services, right? So what you can do in fiverr.com is that you can create your account. And the more you create your account, then what you need to do, you can create some videos, go and start your blog, and the more blog you have, the more content you can provide, the more people you take on your profile, the more services you can able to sell, right? So that is the main motto of fiverr.com. So that's the thing which I want you to understand when you create your fiverr.com account, because you will start your journey from $5, $10, $15. The more you sell, the more profile visit you have. In future also people come to your website. In future also fiverr.com will definitely give you more and more accounts, right? So this mistake I don't want you guys to make. If you are in fiverr.com, you need to make sure that you totally should not depend upon fiverr.com. You should do something to take the traffic from the fiverr.com, so that you can attract a particular traffic and you can take that particular traffic into your fiverr.com profile, so that they can visit and they can click on your profile, they can click on your services, and then they can buy from you, right? So this is one of the biggest mistake which I don't want you guys to repeat that, right? So this channel is all about my experiences. Whatever I learn, I will share with you. So if you wanting to become a Fiverr seller, don't depend upon fiverr.com, right? I'm not saying don't create the account. Go and create the account, right? Go and express yourself, right? If you have some services, I want you guys to go and test that particular services. But what you need to understand is that it's not a free cake, right? It's not a free cakewalk. You need to create traffic, send that particular traffic to your fiverr.com account, go to the WhatsApp, tell more and more people to visit, and make sure all the people wanting to buy from you, right? Don't say all the friends of yours so that they can they can go and they can do time pass. I don't want you guys to do that, right? So that is the thing. If you are in fiverr.com, you need to learn how to get the traffic in starting days. If you have, let's say, 4 to 5 gigs, if you are able to sold, then fiverr.com will definitely help you. There is keyword research is there. There is so many other activities there. But you can start this particular thing from this only. So I will request you guys to make sure that you are doing that, so that you will have a great impact in fiverr.com. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are like this video, I will make sure you do like, do subscribe to the channel, do share this particular video, because in this particular channel you can able to see copywriting, email marketing, and freelancing out of stuff in future. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.